If you're a good burper, then you're a good food challenge eater. I gotta be at least Bradley Martin. Oh, that's what I needed. I lost like a minute of, time. So I have this much left. And it's past 22 minutes and 8 seconds. So I get a cheat. And then you guys are sugar coma or something. I'm probably gonna give this burger to my mom yesterday, and yesterday. Like freaking, he was so